In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do Prison Realm in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have watched a lot of videos of Heroes Battlegrounds, or maybe you have been playing it a lot, you might have noticed that some players are able to send others to the Prison Realm after they kill their enemy. So, this is actually a kill or finisher emote. So, all that you have to do is acquire the emote that I'm going to show you in this video, and then kill someone. After you kill any player, you will be able to open your emotes and then use it. So first, I'm going to talk about the actual emote that you need to acquire. The emote is titled Flash Realm, which is essentially the prison realm. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Now, sadly, I don't have it on my character. I am a newbie and I only have the default dance. But if you are able to acquire this emote randomly, you will be able to use it immediately after any kill. Like I mentioned, this is going to be a finisher emote. So you have to kill a player, go over to their body, and then use Flash Realm as the emote. So just equip it on any of these slots, and after you have it equipped, you will be able to use it. So, all that you have to do now is go ahead and kill any player. Once you kill a player, use the emote, and immediately upon using it, you should see the animation go out. So, to start, a lot of cubes are going to appear. They are all going to connect into the body of the player that you just killed. They are going to close within, and then your character will get the cube and put it in your pocket. So, it is a very cool finisher emote, and one that a lot of players are trying to acquire. Now, to my knowledge, for you to get a specific emote, it's all down to luck. The emotes are completely random, but if you get lucky enough and you get this specific finisher emote, you will be able to equip it and use it after you kill any player in Heroes Battlegrounds. So just equip the Flash Realm emote, use it after any player is killed, and you will be able to see the animation of the Prison Realm go out. I hope I was able to help you on how to do Prison Realm in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.